Hey everyone, welcome back to Binary Swift Assist. Today we're going to talk about some essential computer maintenance and troubleshooting techniques that can help keep your system running smoothly. Whether you're experiencing slow performance or strange errors, these tips can be a lifesaver. And the best part, there's nothing too complicated involved, and we'll be walking you through everything step by step. Before we get started with the tools, let's quickly go over some common issues you might face. Slow performance, random crashes, or error messages. These can be caused by various factors, including corrupted system files or registry errors. Sometimes your machine is just running slow and you find you need to tidy it up, and that's what we will be covering today. The first step in any troubleshooting process is to make sure your system is up to date. Head over to Windows Update and check for any pending updates. After updating, it's always a good idea to restart your computer to apply the changes. Please bear in mind you'll need an active internet connection to do this. Sometimes each brand of computer will come with their own built-in software to help manage these updates. For example, Dell have Support Assist and HP have their own version called Support Assistance. Information on these will be in the description below. Once you're in the command prompt, let's start by checking the health of the Windows image. Type the following command: DISM/online/cleanup image/CheckHealth and press enter. This command checks for corruption but doesn't attempt to fix it. All of these commands will be available in the description below. Now, let's move on to scanning the health of the Windows image. Type DISM/online/cleanup image/scanHealth and press enter. This command scans for component store corruption and records the corruption details but doesn't fix the corruption. Finally, to restore the Windows image to a healthy state, type DISM/online/cleanup image/RestoreHealth and press enter. This command scans for component store corruption, records the corruption details, and fixes the corruption using Windows Update. This process may take some time, so please be patient. After running these DISM commands, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Now, let's move on to SFC, the System File Checker. Like DISM, it helps fix corrupted system files. Open command prompt as an administrator, just like before. In the command prompt, type SFC/scannow and press enter. This command will scan and repair corrupted system files. It might take some time, so be patient. Once this process is completed, you will see a message in the command line letting you know if any repairs have been able to be made. Once this is finished, please restart your computer to apply the changes. Another maintenance task you should perform regularly is cleaning up unnecessary files and optimizing your disk. Head over to Disk Cleanup by pressing the Windows key and then searching for Disk Cleanup. You should then see the inbuilt Windows utility. Select that and open the app. You can then choose the button to Clean Up System Files. You should be able to tick what you want to clean up above. The next step to this is we also need to defrag. Feel free to close Disk Cleanup once it's finished and then press the Windows key again. Start typing defrag and you should see the application. Defrag and optimize drives, enter into the app. Select your C drive with the Windows installed and then select Optimize button. This should be a quick and simple process. And there you have it. These simple steps can go a long way in maintaining a healthy and efficient computer. Remember to regularly check for updates, run DISM and SFC when needed, and perform disk cleanup and defragmentation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.